Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use the keyframe button in CapCut PC to make zoom in and out effect, or just make the moving object. Alright, for instance, I'm going to make the zoom in and out effect using keyframe. So I'm just going to select image to the right, and you can click on the clip so you can find the option right here. Just click basic, and for the position and size you can find the keyframe button. Just click on it and make sure in the beginning, so the first frame, click on the keyframe. You can swipe to the right, you can resize for scale. So swipe to the right again and resize it to 100. Swipe to the right. So do as before until you finish the video. Alright. So this is the final effect you have on your video. Alright. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.